Hello my hair warriors, it's me, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser, Aaron O'Brien, and today we are doing something amazing. We are taking care of someone that has been here before. His name is Paul. We went with a darker colour last time because he wanted to stay dark, but we had so many comments of people saying we want to see him grey, his natural white grey colour. And you know what? I listened and I'm going to do it. This is going to be an amazing transformation and something very different for Paul. Don't forget, these videos are sponsored by Lordhair.com, my favourite hair systems. So you know what? Let's get going. Follow me. So we are here again with the lovely Paul. Welcome, Paul.
Hi.
So you have the darker system, but you went a little bit lighter with the colour gradually,
Yes.
and now you're willing to try something a little bit different. And we're actually going to go with your white natural colour.
Okay.
Because maybe it might match your skin tone a little bit more. Who knows? You might love it. You might be like, oh my god, I want to keep this forever. Or who knows? You might even want to go back to your darker hair.
It'll be a change. I was always curious, you know.
And that's what I love about you, Paul. Like, you're really willing to try something different, and I
Yeah.
think that's really great.
Yeah.
And in the comments, like, some people were like, oh, I really like the dark, and then other people were like, oh, we really want to see what he's like with the white
Yes,
hair.
yeah.
So I think this is a good way to really showcase with these systems from Lordhair and how it really is. It's very exciting. Okay, we're gonna get working here, and there's a bit to do. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so join us on this fun little journey today. Okay, so Paul's now getting his hair washed, and he usually uses what's it called, Paul?
Derma match.
Derma match. So it's a color that you use on the side of your hair. If like you are grey and you do have a darker piece, you can spritz it off on the side to be able to make sure you match the color. But right now Paul is having his derma match all rinsed out. So if he really loves this, he mightn't have to use derma match again. He can go au natural. But who knows? He likes a good change. He'll be dark in a week. Okay, so I have my measuring tape ready. I always find it very effective on occasion, or if you change that your stylist, or if someone's doing something different, always remeasure. Now we want to remeasure from the point of where Paul wants to have his system placed, and Paul's like his a little bit further up, which is closer to his natural hairline. So we're probably going to rest it in and around here, and then we are going to measure back, and that is 8 inches, which I think you were before, Paul. We were at 8.
Yes.
And then from side to side, I always measure just from over the ear, around here, the widest part, and that is 6 inches. So he's 8 by 6. And then that will also cover around the hairline completely, meeting the pieces here at the side as well at the temples. And yeah, I think that's it. You're a 6 by 8. So we wanted to market the system to get it up to Paul's proper size. This system was actually ordered at, from what I can recollect, it was I think 8 by 10. But we want to bring it down to a 8 by 6. So I simply use one of my domes, and I place it over the hair system with a dome underneath, and then I draw around the edges here to get a precise cutout size for the dome itself, or for the hairpiece itself. Then I take my scissors, I cut it out, and then we're ready for placement. And when cutting your piece, make sure that your scissors, as you can see, is right up close to the system base, because if you go lower than that, you will start to cut the hair itself for the system. So always keeping it nice and close, so we're not cutting any of that very valuable hair. All right, our system is ready to go. As you can see, this is a nice, clean, perfect cutout, which is going to be great when we put this on Paul. So right now we're cutting all of this old color out of his hair to make sure that we have a nice white base to work with. Now we're going to tape the system so we can get it applied. We're using our tape. I love this. This is super tape, lasts a long time. We're going to get taping. Okay, let's get cutting.
Okay, I'm going now.
You're like, I'm leaving. We're done. So we are finished and it's been a fabulous transformation. I've really enjoyed it. Now, Paul was dark before. In some of the comments, people were like, oh, they would love to see him with lighter hair and really match his natural. And his natural is snow white on the sides. So we did the same for the top just to see what it was like. And we, like I said, we want to hear your comments. So, but first of all, I want to see what Paul thinks. All right, Paul, how are we feeling?
I like it. I like the change. I like the change.
You like the change?
But I do like changing up every now and then.
Yeah, but I love this on you. I think it looks great. And again, Lordhair, I think they knock it out of the park when it comes to their systems. They're very long lasting, and I think just a variety of colours, and to be able to get a white colour as white as this, like snow white, just like the sides of his head, it's near impossible for most places. So it's great that we could get this here. So I think onwards and upwards, Paul, until the next adventure. What do you think?
I think so.
Yes. All right. Thank you guys. We'll see y'all very soon. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you love the transformation. Let me know if you preferred the dark or the grey white colour on Paul today, and make sure you leave it in all the comments below. Don't forget to click the links, subscribe, follow everything Lordhair, and don't forget to watch all of my other videos. I'll see you all very soon. Bye.